Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Sunday addressed a poll rally in Dhekiajuli, Sonitpur, asserting that the BJP government has successfully halted illegal infiltration in Assam over the past decade, but added that the effort is not enough and emphasized the need to deport every illegal immigrant within the next 5 years. Amit Shah claimed that the Himanta Biswa Sarma led government has reclaimed 1.25 lakh acres of land encroached upon by infiltrators and pledged that in the next 5 years no land will remain under the control of illegal settlers. He also announced that a uniform civil code will soon be implemented in Assam, aiming to regulate personal laws, including a proposal to ban 4 marriages among a specific community. Criticizing the Congress party, Amit Shah accused it of maintaining open borders to protect infiltrators for vote bank politics, a move he said has altered the state's demography. He also took a dig at Rahul Gandhi, claiming he opposed electoral roll revisions to safeguard infiltrators. Meanwhile, BJP National General Secretary and Assam in charge Nitin Nabin stated that the party is set to achieve a hat trick in Assam, forming its third consecutive government under Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Nabin criticized the previous Congress government for focusing on vote bank politics and failing to deliver any milestones, adding that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, Assam has emerged as a state of opportunities. Elections to 126 assembly constituencies in Assam will be held on April 9th, where BJP is seeking to retain power and consolidate its governance achievements.